Hi, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 4 of foldable number 3. And I just realized that I didn't actually show you these again, so I'm just going to show you these first. So the first one is just the form of the vertex form for the absolute value. Also, again, the blurry. Come on. There we go. The form for the absolute value. And then we have the form for the quadratic. And the last one is also going to be the form for the quadratic. Alright, so if we open it up here, we have our, now it doesn't want to put our quarter up there just to hold it down. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go through the steps again. So this one we have a quadratic that's on this side. And then we have our vertex form for the quadratic, which is here. So our step 1 is going to be identify the vertex. So the vertex is open parentheses, and we're going to go ahead and actually find it. So we have 1, 2, 3. So it's at 3, comma 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and this is both positive, right? Because we're on the quadrant 1, and quadrant 1, both x and y are positive. So this is going to be at 3, comma 4, close parentheses. So that means our h is going to be equal to 3, and our k is going to be equal to 4. So now we're going to go ahead and go to step 2, because we found our vertex. Step 2 is identify the slope of the right side. Alright, so I forgot to label my axis of symmetry, so I'm going to go and do that now. This is the thing that divides it in 2, and this was actually our vertex that we had there. So that's really important because it kind of helps us identify the right side of the function. So the point starts there and the right side is this way. So we actually can see that our slope is going to be of here, this point there, because that's the next available point that the graph hits. So I'm going to go ahead and just do it here since we're not using this side. M is equal to rise over the run. And for this one here, our rise is going to be 1, 2. So it's going to be equal to 2 over 1, 2. And then our run is going to be of 1, 2 over 1. So we know our A is going to be equal to 2 over 1 or just 2. Because 2 divided by 1 is just 2. Alright, step 3. Write the equation. I should be saying function because it is a function. Even though we are looking for the equation, we're writing the function of y equals a parentheses x minus h close parentheses squared plus k. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So we have our y is equal to our a, which is 2 parentheses times x minus h. H is 3, so it's going to be minus 3 squared plus 4. And there we have it. So we can double check this one again. We have this one here is a shift to the right from the parent function. So the parent function would be here. I'll just do it in dotted lines just so you guys can see. It's supposed to be a little more round than that. Go up to there and go up to there. So it would be 1, 2, 3. And then it would be a shift up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is there. Then we know it's a vertical stretch. It's kind of pulling it this way because it's by a factor of 2.